How to log into your TaxAct account. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can log into your TaxAct account. So without any further ado, let's get started. After opening your Chrome browser, simply search for TaxAct account login and simply press enter. After the search results appear, the first result is your answer. Sign into your TaxAct account. Just click on that first search result and then you'll be redirected to the page. After the page opens up, you'll be greeted with an option to sign in. There's an option for username, there's an option for password, and also to remember the device. If you've forgotten your password or username, you can also press that option that says forgot username or password. You can also read the terms of services and acknowledge the privacy notice and then agree and sign in. Also on the bottom of the page, there's an option called create a new account. If you click on it, it will redirect you to a new page where you'll have to create a new account by adding in your email addresses, your username, your password, and after you've created an account, you can log in again. And there you go. That is how you log in onto TaxAct account. And if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.